Hello everyone, today I will show you how to multiply an aloe vera plant. You'll see these little baby plants that start to grow at the side of this beautiful aloe vera. These baby plants are called Pups, and today I will show you how to transplant them. Anyways, one thing that you want to get is some cactus soil. And this is how I do it. I get the plant out of this container, being careful not to break any roots. The soil is very dry. These cactus aloe vera plant, you don't water them often. You water them like once every 2 weeks. You have to let the soil dry out, because if it's too wet, then what happens is that the roots start rotting. Here's one, here's two. And here's another one. Okay, and what I do, because when the aloe vera plant grows, usually the top it becomes very heavy, and the bucket tends to fall like this. So what I do, I put rocks at the bottom of the container, and I did with this one. And the reason why I put rocks is to hold the container in place, so when the cactus grows, the container, the plant will not fall, and the cactus will not break. Even if the cactus does break, you can always replant them. That's the beauty part of it. Like these roots, you know, they were just about to rot. What I can do, I can cut this and let it heal, and then I can transplant it in a pot, and it will regrow as a new plant. So what I did, I take one of these little pops, and I plant it. And during the spring and summer, I water them once every 2 weeks, and during the winter months, I water them once a month, because you don't want the soil to get too wet. And I will transplant them, this one too, and it will regrow, and I will water them a little. When you water them, you water just enough that, you know, to keep the soil moist, but then you have to let the soil dry, because the cactus likes it dry. And if you do forget to water, what happens is that the leaves, you know, usually it's nice and round. What it will do, it will take the juice from the aloe vera leaf, and it will become very thin. So anyways, that's it for today. If you have any question, message me, and I will do my best to answer your questions. And you can look in the description below, and you will find some information there that you might find helpful. By the way, it's a bit cool today, so I'm wearing one of my neck warmer, 18-inch long neck warmer around the neck. So I do make them in different colors, and you can buy them from my website or my Etsy shop, which I will include the links in the description. Thank you everyone for watching, and wishing everyone bright blessings.